The Brukenthal National Museum, nestled in the heart of Sibiu, Romania, proudly presents a retrospective of one of the most influential figures in contemporary art, Ioan Sbârciu. Titled Inner Nature, this exhibition, curated by Alessandro Possati and Alexandru Constantin Chituță, is organized in collaboration with Zuecca Projects of Venice, Italy. It is a tribute to Sbârciu's profound impact on the Romanian art scene, showcased within the historic walls of one of the country's oldest museums. Rooted deeply in his native Transylvania, Sbârciu's career extends beyond the canvas. Since the 1990s, he has been an activist against deforestation, a cause poignantly reflected in his Cinder Forest series. Using cinders from burnt trees, these works lament the loss of nature. His Transylvanian Lights series draws from childhood memories, creating interior landscapes where the past and present merge on his canvas.